So automation will play a major role in the extension of mature assets with the use of predictive maintenance technologies to determine the condition of the assets. Obviously, obsolescence is also a key factor. The use of AI tools to evaluate the life cycle of major components. Robotics is a different thing. Obviously, the direction leads towards unmanned offshore production units, which will help to safety and improve efficiency in frontier fields. Currently, there are lower production targets to operational efficiency in the production process and depleting oil wells. Reservoir management helps in decision making for additional wells and stopping production in depleting wells. And obviously, increasingly embracing digital transformation, although we are still in the earliest stage compared with the major digital mature oil producing markets, such as the Middle East, North America, and certain countries in Europe. The positive news is that industry is moving in the right direction. As operators focus on maximizing recovery from existing assets, improving operational efficiency, and maintaining global competitiveness, technologies such as AI-driven analytics, digital twins, predictive maintenance, and advanced process control are becoming strategic priorities rather than optional innovations. We believe Angola has a unique advantage because many of our operators are not constrained by decades of legacy systems. This creates an opportunity to leapfrog traditional approaches and deploy modern, integrated digital platforms from the outset. Looking ahead, we expect Angola's adoption curve to accelerate substantially over the next 5 years. As the industry continues to attract investment and operators seek higher efficiency, digital technologies will play a central role in improving competitiveness, extending asset life, and ensuring Angola remains one of Africa's leading upstream markets. Forms such as Angola and Gas 2026 are critical because the conversation is no longer about whether this transformation will happen. It is how quickly and how we can scale it where it will deliver the greatest value. From our perspective, three areas deserve greater attention: intelligent automation, autonomous operations, and integration of AI-driven decision support across the upstream and downstream value chain. Looking ahead, we believe industry stakeholders should prioritize three things: investment in digital infrastructure, develop of local digital talent, and stronger collaboration between operators, technology providers, and regulators. Technology alone will not transform the industry. Success will depend on creating an ecosystem that supports innovation, data sharing, and workforce development.